Welcome to this tutorial, where we'll be exploring how to effectively use inventory management document. Begin by selecting the x.doc button on the menu to access the main dashboard. On the x.doc page, navigate to the accepted proposal and click on the three dots, which is the action button. From the Actions menu, choose Inventory Management. You'll be taken to the Inventory Management page, displaying a list of all items in the proposal. Let's understand inventory management. It's a feature you use to change the status of your items after a proposal has been accepted. It helps you inform the client about the status of items, whether they've been ordered, in stock, or delivered, for better product management. Now, to modify the status of specific items, click under the Status heading and select the desired status from the drop-down menu. You can also change the status of all items simultaneously by using the tick mark option. Then, go to the Change Status button and select the desired status from the drop-down menu. You can download the inventory management document in Excel or PDF. And that's how you can fully utilize inventory management documents. For more tutorials and insights, please visit x.doc.